And doing stuff like this that other producers wouldn't think of doing is how you can elevate your music against all the other producers that remade this song.
Okay.
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how DaBaby made Lightskin. And if you learned something new today, please feel free to like and subscribe to keep the learning going. As always, the DAW that we're using today is FL Studio, and for my fellow FL Studio users, I will leave the FLP in the description below. The first thing I want to go through is the vocal chops from the song. I saw some comments in my instrumental remake asking for where I got the sample from. I didn't find a sample online. All I'm doing is finding parts in the song where the only thing that's going on is the vocal chop. So say this part here, I'm just chopping this part out. Then all you do is make unique as sample. So now this is a section from the vocals. From there, I managed to find the entire vocal chop loop from the song. And doing stuff like this that other producers wouldn't think of doing is how you can elevate your music against all the other producers that remade this song. Because the market for remaking instrumentals is so tough, you're coming up against people who will just straight up lie and say this is the official instrumental, when it's definitely not. And one more side note, make sure if you're making instrumentals that you are putting your producer tag on the track.
Can lay on the track.
This stops other people from just blatantly stealing your instrumental. Next up we have this chord plucking sound. This was made on Serum. For oscillator A, we're using a basic sine wave table, which you can find inside of basic shapes. And for oscillator B, we're using a slightly different sine wave table. Then for effects, we're using chorus, filter, and reverb. And you can see here that this chord progression was kind of messy and unstructured, but this is my best guess at what it was. Then we're using a bunch of different filters that I'm not going to go through today. We're using compressor plugins, distortion plugins, as well as stereo enhancer plugins. Then we're coming into the first verse. First off, we have the hi-hat loop. Here we're using the Boominati hi-hat, and we're backing it up with this clap. Here we're using the Luger slap clap, as well as the Luger snare. Then we have this really simple kick and 808 loop. For the 808, we're using this 808 Mafia 808. And for the kick, we're using the rack kick. So that plays together like this. Then we're introducing this flute. Here we're using two presets from Omnisphere. First off, we have the Lotus flute. And we're backing it up with the Maverick Rezo Sine. This preset is, by the way, one of my favorite Omnisphere presets. Then we just added that to our mixer and used Parametric EQ2, Sound Goodizer, and Sausage Fattener.
Because why not? You gotta trust the sausage.
Then later on in the song, the chord progression for the plucking synth changes up. That's actually it for the remake. Again, I'm gonna leave the FLP in the description below. Anyway, I will play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to remake in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.